I am Daniel Delubac. I am currently serving as the CEO of iOrgan Bio. I hold a PhD in biomedical engineering from Carnegie Mellon University. I've spent 10 years in Silicon Valley building three bleeding edge diagnostic companies that would be Counsel, Guardant Health, and Freenome. Then I've built Zalis, a platform company focused on the creation and screening of patient-derived model of cancer. Most recently, I was in the UK building Chemify, a deep technology company, digitizing and automating synthetic chemistry. And I've started working at iOrgan Bio as its co-founder and CEO at the beginning of 2025 with professors Shuibing Shen and Shilling Shen. So first, I'd like to say that we're thrilled to be part of this long overdue movement to phase out animal testing for ethical reason, but also from a utilitarian perspective. We expect the human-derived model will be the single most important factor in increasing the rate of success in drug development. Currently, 95% of drug discovery campaigns fail because we select drugs using animal testing, hence select drugs that are safe and effective for animals, most often mice. And they end up not working in humans because, believe it or not, we are not large mice. The process of developing more accurate animal models, more precise, more representative models of human biology in 20 years since the development of the reprogramming factors by Professor Yamanaka have not yet led to models that are perfectly representative of human biology. Without AI and without data-driven approaches, we will not be able to reach this expected state of being able to recreate accurately and precisely human biology in the laboratory. We think of it as a critical prerequisite to the achievements of this vision to successfully replace animal models with human-derived one manufactured in the laboratory. Digital approaches allow for a data-driven representation of cell state that can be holistic. We can define strict requirements and features cell-based model must have, and that set a standard and a reference, i.e. a target for the manufacturing process to yield. With this target, think of it as a CAD design. If we were to use the parallel with car manufacturing, we can then tailor a manufacturing process that makes exactly the cells and products that we have designed, which in the context of cell and biological manufacturing is a brand new concept. The problem for cell manufacturing is made complex because cells are alive. They're a living system. They change all the time. They acquire mutation. They respond in some predictable way to their environment. And as we all know, the biology of every human is unique. So we need processes that are tailored, that are dynamically adjusting to what the cells are effectively doing in the manufacturing process. We need digitization and AI to successfully be able to create consistent products at the end of the manufacturing process.